Today we're going to work on filtering data, sorting data, and using conditional formatting for our data. We're going to start with sorting data, and all I really need to do is click in my column here for this number. I don't need to highlight all the numbers or anything like that. Just click in my column. And here in my home ribbon, as you can see over on the far right hand side in the editing group, is my sort and filter. So I'm just going to click on this, and it's going to open a drop down menu. And in this case, I'm going to click sort smallest to largest. So it's going to put the smallest number first down to the largest number, and it moves all the row information along with it. So Theodore Roosevelt is not the first president, so it moves all that. It knows to do that for us. And I can do the same thing if I want to go largest to smallest, and so it does the opposite. And you can see there that Ronald Reagan now is in the first position. So that is sorting data, and you can do it with alphabet, numbers, anything like that. Oops, I'm going to go back to the original there. And next we're going to filter some data, and this time I am going to select my column, and we're going to filter the party, and I'm going to come back over here and click on my sort and filter button, and then I'm going to click filter, and you're going to notice a little drop down box appears here, and it's going to ask us how do we want to filter this, and they have them all selected, so they're all showing up. So if we just want to select the Democrats, I can select that and press OK, and it shows me solely the people who were Democrats when they were president. And so that is how it filters. It takes out the things that we don't want. If I wanted Democrats and the ones that were Democrat Republican, same thing. So it filters out all the information that we don't need. So I'm just going to get them all back up here. And the last thing we're going to do is we are going to use some conditional formatting, and I'm going to select my column for age once again. And I'm going to click on the button here in the Style section for conditional formatting. And there's a number of things that we can do. What this is going to do is it's going to give us a color code for our information. So I'm going to choose the highlight cells rules, and what I'm looking for is, in this case, numbers that are greater than. So I'm going to click that, and you're going to see a box appear here that says greater than. And in this format cells that are greater than area, you see a number, and we're going to put in our own number. I'm just going to put in 50. So I'm looking for cells that are greater than 50, and I'm going to say OK. Well, before I do that, I want to go ahead and show you that it's going to fill it with light red text. I can click that and choose any color text here that they want, or I can go to custom format, and I can change the fills and colors here if I wanted to do that also. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to choose, we'll go with green. And then I'm going to say OK, and you can see the numbers that are more than 50 are green highlighted, and the ones that are 50 or less are not. And that's how you use conditional formatting. You give it a condition that numbers more than 50 are highlighted and numbers less than 50 are not. So that is how you sort, filter, and use conditional formatting in Excel.